Hey guys, it's Millhouse and Seth here in R&D. We are getting ready to do a quick install video for you on our 2024 non-VVT center-cooled touring model bike. So he's gonna just take the seat and the left rear bag off and the left side cover to get to everything that we're gonna need to get to. On this particular application, 23.5 and up, the ECM is under the left side cover on these new bikes. We have already installed our Wideband O2s that come with the kit, and it also comes with a Wideband O2 harness. All of that's been installed just to kind of speed this up, but we'll show you where everything goes.
So these are our Wideband O2 sensors. They go in the front and rear cylinders. Typically you want them 2 to 5 inches. So if your bike does not have the bungs for the wideband, you'll have to purchase a new header. This is our Y harness that goes from the widebands to the ECM.
And again, everything's been ran. If you don't have a head pipe, on our website, we do sell the Wideband O2 bungs as well. Okay, so with the front and the rear O2, what you want to do is run your cables along the frame rails to the stock position where you've got some connectors here to snap them into place. You'll run everything behind the ECM caddy and over, and we'll show you on that side next.
As Millhouse was saying before, you'll pull out the 12-pin Y harness from the back side of the caddy. To do that, you're gonna need a T40 to undo your little caddy mount. And then once you get there, we can pull the factory ECM, put the new one in. So now we've pulled this out where we need it. You'll pull the factory ECM. Take the ThunderMax, plug that in. Take the Y harness, plug that into the ThunderMax. Tighten down the 2 Phillips head screws. Once you tighten those screws, you just slide it up into place.
So that is our hardware install on the new 24 non-VVT center-cooled bike. Revert back to our other software install video on our YouTube channel, ThunderMax EFI. We'll see you guys down the road.